Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Atlas Systems, propulsion.
Go.
Hydraulics.
Go.
Pneumatics.
Go.
LO2.
Go.
Water.
Go.
Centaur Systems, propulsion.
Go.
Pneumatics.
Go.
LO2.
Go.
LH2.
Go.
Gas.
Go.
Electrical Systems, airborne.
Go.
Ground.
Go.
Facility.
Go.
RFFTS.
Go.
Flight control.
Go.
Instrumentation.
Go.
COM.
Go.
Timer.
Go.
GC cubed.
Go.
Umbilicals.
Go.
ECS.
Go.
Redline monitor.
Go.
Quality.
Go.
OSM.
Go.
ULA safety officer.
Go.
Range weather and clear to proceed.
Go.
Launch director.
LC, this is LD. You have permission to launch.
Proceeding with count. T0 is planned for 18:02 Zulu. Set count to start at 17:58 Zulu. Roger.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Have ignition and liftoff of the Atlas V rocket on the Landsat Data Continuity mission, continuing the 40-year legacy of preserving Earth's natural resources from space.
Looking forward to it. Closed loop control on XPU. And we're in closed loop control. Mixture ratio is being controlled as expected. Engine continues to operate normally, seeing minor changes in the change in mixture ratio as expected. Vehicle rates look good. Engine is burning normally. And LDCM is now supersonic, coming up on max Q. And we've now passed through the region of max dynamic pressure. And the engine is throttled down to 95% thrust as expected. Everything is looking good. And the vehicle is now 13 miles in altitude, 6 miles downrange, traveling at 1,700 miles per hour. And still operating normally at 95% thrust, everything looking good. And we vented the Centaur fuel tank to condition the propellants for Centaur phase. Booster continues to operate normally. Good steady state thrust. Next event we're looking for is firing the pyro valve to activate the Centaur reaction control system. And we fired that valve. Loop pressure coming up, everything looking good. And engine's operating normally. Vehicle's accelerating smoothly, 3.3 Gs. Everything looking good. Seeing very small disturbances in the flight control system. Seeing a very smooth ride. Continuing at 95% thrust. Very little control activity on Atlas PU. And the vehicle is now 25% of liftoff weight. And we've now started our constant 5G acceleration phase. And we fire the pogo bleed valve. And you start a boost phase chill. Everything's reacting. We're now at 4.6 G limiting. EU is open loop. Coming up on booster engine cutoff. We have BECO, we have staging, ignition, full thrust. Everything is looking good. Good steady state operating levels on center, coming up on fairing sep. And we have fairing separation. Two good brake wires. And we've re-enabled guidance. The vehicle is now steering. Look at start transient, very good start transient. And we've gone to our Z profile valve angle on Centaur PU. Going down to the lock stop. Everything is looking good. We've seen the reaction control systems firing to purge the GN2 out, as well as thermal conditioning firings for the loop.
Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.